Welcome to LFA's video on upper roller adjustment. If you've tuned your RTP9 and you're currently finding you need just a little more tablet thickness, then there's a small adjustment which can be made. This adjustment will allow you to increase or decrease the tablet's thickness by 1 to 2 mm. First, loosen the bolt on the upper roller adjuster with a 5 mm Allen key. The upper roller adjuster raises and lowers the upper roller. We suggest that the default position for the adjuster is right here. However, if you require a bit more pressure, you can turn it to the right to lower the upper roller cam, or to the left to raise the roller. Then retighten the bolt with a 5 mm Allen key. When increasing pressure, always do this in small increments, and then test. One potential issue with increasing the pressure with the adjuster is because the tablet is compressed further into the die bore, so the lower punch has to push the compressed tablet further up. This can potentially cause capping, scorching on the tablet, and increase ejection forces, which will wear out your tooling and cams faster. For more information, products, and guides, please visit www.lfatabletpresses.com.